Hi guys, this is another video about how we can build a um, small home automation system using Claude AI. How we can generate the code from Claude AI. So this is the prompt that I have given to the Claude AI. Can you generate a code to ESP8266 Node MCU to control relay through Wi-Fi and need a web user interface? So it generated the code. This is the one. So I copied and pasted on Arduino. Then I compiled. Then while compiling, it shows some errors. So I copied the error and paste here. This is the Arduino error. So then I generated, got the error where it's in. So it corrected the code and regenerate. So this is the correct code. So I copied and paste on Arduino again. Then I compile. It compiled well. So when here you can see it gives all the instruction to how the code is working, and when you get some errors, how you can solve that errors. So yeah, features. What are the features in this code? And this is the instruction that you need to follow after you upload the code to your Node MCU. So I'll show it Arduino. See here, I paste the code. So only you have to change, update the SSID name and password correctly. So if you are connected and not, if you are going to connect to Node MCU and your mobile phone or laptop with your home Wi-Fi, you have to enter the correct SSID name and the password. Mm, Otherwise, it's not gonna work perfectly. So you have to use the same network. Uh, that means the node names then you enter the SSID name and password your Wi-Fi connection. So after you upload the code to node MCU, you have to connect your mobile phone or laptop with the same network. Otherwise, it didn't work. So after this code upload to node MCU, you have to plug in the node MCU and you have to check the correct component, the board, which board is you have plugged in, not MCU 1.0 ESP12E module. Uh, then after you upload the code, you have to press, in here you don't see any serial monitor, you have to press here, serial monitor. Then it shows here. Uh, and here it defaultly comes with this baud rate. So you have to change it to this one. Otherwise, the letter shows here will be some kind of characters. Uh, what I change, the baud rate is here. So you have to select the same baud rate in serial monitor also. Uh, this one. Void setup serial.begin. This baud rate should be also here. You have to select that. Then I have already plugged in the node MCU. I just reset the board. I reset the board. Now it has connected with the Wi-Fi. So it shows here Wi-Fi connected. IP is this one. So web server started. So I copied the Wi-Fi, sorry, IP address and pasted on a web browser. And this is the one. This is the user interface that I have requested to generate. So here you can see some buttons. So these are the on-off buttons. These are working perfectly. You can see uh, here on Arduino also. When I press relay, turn on relay, then you can see relay 1 turned on and relay 2 turned on, relay 3, relay 4. Likewise, you can see all are working. Then I move the all, so then that one also shows you. So that how works the code, and it's very simple. If you are going to do this alone, you have to do some research through internet and gather the codes and everything. Uh, if you don't have any basic knowledge about Arduino, so you can't do this alone. So these days with AI, you can do anything. So try to do this simple project yourself. Uh, so via the connections with relays, and I'll show you how this project works. Stay with the video.
Hi guys, so I wired all the connections with an RDMSU and relay module. I just connected only one module to D1 pin, so you can add other three pins for the extra three modules, uh, relay extra three modules. So I just wired only one relay module to just for the demonstration. So here I'll show you this relay module works with 12 volt. So I supplied external 7.4 voltage with series with 3.7 volt batteries. So here, and if we are using two power sources, that means if you are using one power source to power node MSU and another power source to power relay module, so you have to make sure connect both ground wires with the two power source wires. That means in here uh, for the for the ground you should take the both power sources grounds should be connected together. So this wire is to send signals to one of the relay module, and here the middle one is common, so you can use 230 current also to power on and off your fan or anything that you're using it main current. So turn on and off bulbs like a switch. And here, so the other wire should connect to normally open. This one is normally closed, this one is normally open. That means when the power didn't go through with the relay, it opens. When the signal comes to the relay, it close. So this one is normally closed. That means it relay doesn't have any power, it close. When the relay powers on, it turn on. So this is the diagram, and here I'll show you. I just use an LED uh, to show the demonstration. So here you can see I turned on relay 1 then you heard the sound, then relay 1 turned on, then I turned off, then it goes off. It works well. So I didn't use my brain to change any part of this code. All are generated with Claude AI. So I think I suggest you to do some experimental things, to do like these things using AI.